Hi dears, today I am going to explain you what are the benefits we will be getting for this March month. So what are the offers and what are the bonus extra money you can earn. So all those details we'll be discussing in this. Let's start. So here like if you recruit 2% in this March before 15th and that 2% should complete at least 50 BP, then you will get this stainless steel frying pan with glass lid. So it is 2590 rupees one, you will get only for 399 rupees. Okay, so this offer is up to only 15th March 2021. So before that, if you recruit 2%, you will get this. So if you recruit multiple person, like if you recruit 4%, you can redeem 2 pan like this. If you recruit 6%, you can redeem 3 pan like that. So as per that, that offer, like you can redeem in April month. So any brand partner, if they will complete 50 BP, so they will get this Silk Beauty White Glow body wash. Okay, so this one you will get for 99 rupees. So 599 rupees one you can redeem only for 99 rupees. So this you can redeem in April month. Okay. So this one it will give you more moisturize and it will give a good lightening skin. So if you place order for 100 BP, so first to before 31st, if you place order for 100 BP, so you can get this beautiful premium caddy set. It is 2990 rupees set, you can get for 299 rupees only. So this is like you will be saving for almost 2691 rupees you will be saving, and this set you can redeem in month of April. So if you accumulate order for 150 BP, so any 2 products like 1000 rupees MRP price products you will get only for 1 rupee. Okay, so you can redeem in the month of April. So this offer it is like a 1st to 31st only. So before 31st, if you do 150 BP, then you will get 1000 rupees product, 2 products you can get for only 1 rupee. So if you place order for 200 BP, so if you accumulate order for 200 BP, you will get any 3 products for 50% off. So in April catalog, you can take any 3 products for 50% off. So in this Nove set also available. Nove set means only single product you can take for 50% off. Okay. So here for brand partners who never been for 6% or 9% or 12%, so if you are become 6% brand partner first time, so you will be getting 500 rupees extra money. So if you are becoming 9% brand partner first time, so you will be getting 1000 rupees cash bonus, and if you are become 12% manager level, then you will be getting 2000 rupees extra money. Okay, so this offer is applicable only from 1st February to 31st March. So in this period who are all eligible, so those people they will get this particular bonus money. So we have like entrepreneur bonus. So this entrepreneur bonus, it is eligible for all the brand partners who joined before 2021. Okay, so before 2021 means before up to December 2020, who are all joined, so those people are eligible for this. So in your team, any new brand partner who has completed 3% or 6% or 9% or 12% speed bonus, so if they are eligible for this speed bonus, then you will be getting 500 rupees extra money on each person. Okay, So you will be getting around like 2000 rupees easily. So this speed bonus is for new brand partners who has joined from January. Okay, so those people it is eligible. So first time if they will complete, they joined and they have completed 3%, then they will be getting 250 rupees extra. And next month if they are so next month if they are completing 6%, then they will be getting 1000 rupees extra money. And in third month if they are completing 9%, so they will be getting 2000 rupees extra money. And in fourth month if they are completing 12% and becoming manager, then they will be getting 3000 rupees extra money. So total 6150 rupees they can earn. So total 6250 rupees they can earn extra money within 4 months. Okay. So any new brand partner, someone who has joined and they have not completed 3% in the first month, still they are eligible for this program. So if they have completed 100 BP, so first month if they have completed 100 BP, they will be eligible for this speed bonus program. So what will happen? So second month if they will reach 3%, then they will get 150 rupees extra money. And third month if they will reach 6%, 1000 rupees. And 9% they will be getting 2000 rupees. And 12% if they will be reaching, they will be getting 3000 rupees extra money. So total 6150 rupees they will be getting here. So these are all like extra bonus, okay, you will be getting. So apart from PD, so performance discount, you will be getting different money. Apart from that, you will be earning this extra money. Okay, so and you will be getting all the gifts also. So it is very good offers, no? Like everyone can utilize all these offers. So hope you all can understand this. So still if you have any questions or any doubts, just reach me. We'll explain you clearly one more time. So don't miss all these offers. So whatever the offers I have explained you clearly, so all those offers utilize it before the expire date. Okay, so all the best, so we can rock it. Thank you all.